Hello everyone, this is Chandan. In this video, we are going to learn how can we interface IR sensor with Arduino, and also we will interface an LED with Arduino. Let's start the video. First of all, I will click P so that it will open a window and ask for searching keywords. I am going to search for IR. You just have to IR sensor. You can see here IR obstacle sensor, infrared sensor. You just have to click and OK this. And the next thing is Arduino. You can write Arduino. It's a keyword for Arduino. You can see here there are many Arduino boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Pro Mini, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mini, Arduino Mega, but we will just select Arduino Uno. So we are going to work on this board. Just click OK, and we require an LED. I will search for LED and the keyword will be LED for this. And you can see there are different colors of LEDs are available here. You can check yellow, green, red, blue, many more colors, different colors of LED are available. I'm going to use green LED. You can use according to your choice, and I will drop Arduino in this window, and also I will drop the IR sensor. Let's first of all do the connections. I am going to connect out pin of infrared sensor with pin number 6 of Arduino, and we will use an LED. Here I am going to use LED which is connected with pin number 7 of Arduino. And one thing let me tell you, that is anode, or you can say the positive terminal of LED. To complete this circuit we need to connect ground here. You have to select terminal modes and click on ground and just place here, and also below this LED, and connect these wires. We also require power to provide power to IR sensor and connect with VDD of IR, and I will click on P. Just a second, just click P on your keyboard so that it will allow you to open to search keywords. We will search here toggle to provide logic. Either the logic will be either 0 or on 1, and place here, connect with this pin. Almost our connection is done and our coding part is left. Let's write a code for this. For that I will open a new window. Here we will write code for this project. First I am taking a variable for LED, and we have connected this with pin number 7, and its data type is integer. Similarly, I will copy this and paste this below and do just some changes here. I will use IR as variable, and pin number 6 will be our input pin, and in this loop void loop, void setup, we will use pin mode. Make sure you will write M in capital letter. Value write a code for this. Here I am going to set pin for LED, that is pin number 7. Either you can write LED or pins number 7. And how we are going to use it? LED will be used as output device, that's why we will use output, and all this output letter will be in capital letters. Again copy this and paste below and do some changes. Write here IR, and we are using it as input, and also we will initialize serial monitor. For that we will have to write serial.begin, and let's set a baud rate which will be 9600. And coming to void loop, here I am using a variable to store data from digital write. Here D should be in a small letter. Sorry, digital read command we will use. This is a function, and we will read value from our IR sensor. Here we will print it on serial monitor. For that we will have to write serial.print ln, and we will print data on this. To control LED, I am going to use if-else condition. The condition is very simple. If data is equals to 1, in this case LED will glow. LED comma high. This is digital write is function. Here we are defining pin of our Arduino pin to which LED is connected, and its status will be high, so that it will glow the LED. And if you want to know the status or print how either it is on or off, in this case we will have to again write serial.print just a second, and you can write here a comment LED is on, LED on, and if this condition is not fulfilled, in this case we will just copy this and paste here. At the place of high we will use low, because, and here off, I was telling you why we are using low. We are keeping LED off because here logic will be 0, that's why. Or you can change according to your requirement. In this way this coding part is completed. One thing is left here. We have used uh, local variable, that's why we will have to give the name integer data type, or you can use also double. I will tell you later why we are using only integer, why we are not using double and other data types. Now just save this code and I'm giving it name IR123. You can give any name. I'm just keeping an I will select save it on desktop and come to a sketch, export compile boundary. Just wait for compiling. Here it is showing done compiling, and we will come to the software Proteus, and we have to do two thing in this. We have to select program file this for this IR sensor. It is provided on this Proteus 7, and you have to come to library, open this, and our file will be infrared sensor. Just select and open this and click OK. For program file for Arduino, you have to the file or the location where we have saved, we will have to go there. I have already saved it on desktop. Here it is showing IR123. I will select hex file standard.hex. You do not have to use this bootloader. Click OK and open this, and we will also use a virtual terminal for this. You will have to connection Rx of virtual terminal will be connected to TX, and Rx of Arduino will be connected to TX of virtual terminal. Do the connection and play. Here you can see it is showing LED is off. Because we have provided logic 0 initially. As I will click on this, you can see it is writing, or you can see your logic 1 or LED is high. In this way this project is done. You can interface your IR sensor with Arduino. I told you the code in very easy language, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.